Welcome guys, welcome to Angry George again. In today's video, in today's video, again another ice cream, another Ben & Jerry Sundae Cookie Vermont-Ster. Cookie Vermont-Ster. There you go. Ben & Jerry Sundae. Let's start this right now because it's melting. It's like she is melting for me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, come on. No. Here we go. All done. So this is sweet cream ice cream with chocolate chip cookies, chocolatey cookie swirl topped with creamy whipped ice cream, sea salt chocolatey swirl, chocolatey chunks, too much chocolatey. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Ah. That's amazing. It's chocolatey. Let's go. Oh, it's Sunday. Oh. Soft. Really soft. Oh. I want to leave a picture how it's supposed to look like out here. Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's a bit too much chocolate, but I will let you know in a couple of minutes. Or in a couple of scoops. But so far, it's good. Especially these chocolate chip chunkies or chunks.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's sponsor, Steven IT Services, your professional technology assistance. Did you ever have problems with technology when it comes to choose the broadband or internet? Choose the best desktop or laptop for your service, set up your smart home or even your home printing. So wait no further, Steven IT Services is when coming into place. He helped me set up my Wi-Fi and choose the best provider. Check the link below. You just need to mention YouTube channel Angry George, and you can book a consultation. You can speak with him from Monday to Sunday. And let's go back into the video. Thank you. Can you see that big one over there? This is how it's supposed to look like. That separation. Calories will be here. And then the score. Score for this will be a 7 out of 10. Reason why, I think it's a bit too much chocolate, because you have the top chocolate with the middle chocolate, you can see. I think this will be too much chocolate. I like chocolate, but not this much. This might be better for you, not for me. Yeah, this is definitely too much chocolate. Wow. Ooh. People, thanks again for another video. This was too much sweet, or too much chocolate. But never mind. People, thanks again for another video. Please comment below what you want me to do next. Leave a like and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers!